Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, if you recently picked up the Surface Duo 2, you might realize right away there's not many options on cases for this beautiful phone. Why is that the case, and what options are available? Let's go ahead and talk about it. So unlike the Surface Duo 1, where Microsoft provided you a free $40 bumper, that is just simply not the case with the Surface Duo 2. Out of the box, you don't receive any freebie at all from Microsoft. Now, the Surface Duo 1, other than the bumper case, I actually did show off this leather case right here, which is a very beautiful case, but you can't use the phone in phone mode. This is almost impossible to actually use as a case because in phone mode, this case does not work out at all. Now, the Surface Duo 2, while you do not get a bumper out of the box, you can go ahead and actually go to Microsoft.com and buy a bumper for yourself. Now, this bumper does cost $40, and you can get it in all types of different colors. So if you want to go ahead and match your Surface Duo 2 with different color schemes, you can go ahead and do that. Which, to be honest, I mean, $40 you're going to make us pay when you spend an extra $100 for a device. Come on, Microsoft. This was definitely a big L on their part. I know the whole premise is they want to cut down. I know the whole thing is they want to go ahead and actually cut down the footprint on the eco waste, but this is kind of a little ridiculous. I understand no charger, but not to give us a bumper to protect this phone when, to be honest, there's not too many options on the market. The next option we have is also coming from Microsoft, and it's not even available yet to buy. So coming this November 21st, we are actually going to see the Surface Duo 2 pen cover. Now, what is the pen cover? What can we expect from it? All that kind of good stuff. Well, starting off right away, it's literally a bumper case added with a silicone front, which costs $30 more. Pretty much that's all it is. Now, the pen cover does give you the ability to actually charge your S Pen or your Slim Pen from your Surface Duo device, which, again, like I said, it's very loose, all the information we have about this at the moment, just because of the fact that what that is saying then is wireless power transfer. Now, is that from the actual Surface Duo 2 device, or is it going to plug into the Surface Duo 2 device to get that power to be able to actually charge your pen? Again, like I said, we have no information at the moment. So this is one of those things where it's like you could buy it for $62 in around what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks from now, and you might go ahead and actually get this unless it sells out quickly, and then you might go ahead and miss out on this opportunity. I will say Microsoft really should have provided more than just two options for cases. One of them being a bumper that isn't even the case, and this one being kind of a half bumper, half case. I really say this is a bad look on Microsoft's part, but again, this is my personal opinion. Now, there's some other cases, and this is an interesting one. We have actually not looked at this one yet, and this one comes in from a company called Norive. Now, I do not recommend buying from Norive when it comes to, I've never bought from them before, so I'm not recommending saying like, oh, this is an option to buy. I'm just telling you, I saw this on Google, and I don't know who Norive is. I don't know if they're a trustworthy company by any trust imagination. They could be an absolute trustworthy company. What I did see, though, is that they are putting up Surface Duo 2 leather cases for $174. Guys, you heard me correct when I said that. $174 for a leather Surface Duo 2 case. So not only do I not know who the company is, not only do I not know if they're trustworthy or not, all I know is that they are overpricing this leather case, and I definitely would not recommend picking it up for that price tag. So our last and final option, which is the more realistic option, is the Surface Duo 2 case from OtterBox. This case does go ahead and let you be able to actually protect the inside display while protecting the outside glass of the actual phone. But just like the other ones, this one is not available yet. I don't know how all these companies, including Microsoft themselves, could not coordinate together with the release of this device and have these ready for the release of the Surface Duo 2. My only guess with this would be that they are preparing all these cases for Christmas, and obviously with the Microsoft phone, we do know that is coming out during the Christmas, the actual pen cover case. So it's coming, well, sorry, it coming out in late November, so obviously in that holiday period. So we know they're kind of aiming it toward that same concept around the holidays and Christmas. Out of box might be doing the same exact concept, and even that $174 case does not come out until mid-November. So again, like I said, I don't know if all these companies came together and was just like, wait, when did this phone come out? And they completely forgot. But this is kind of sucks that right now, like I said before, the only actual true case you can buy off this phone is the bumper case from Microsoft for $40. So it's disappointing. It's definitely disappointing. And I will say overall, if you are looking to pick up a case for this phone, if you want to protect your phone and you don't want to go with the bumper case, recommendation would be going on Amazon and actually buying one of those sleeve covers. You're not going to be able to actually have it on your phone while you're using your phone, but while you're not using it, you can put in a little sleeve cover. They make tons of them for tablets, all types of devices. That gives you the best ability to protect your brand new phone and also be able to still use your phone without any hassle at all, because I'm sure there's going to make some cheap cases like this out there with the Surface Duo 2, and it's awesome, but you can't use it in phone mode. And if you can't use the full functionality of your phone, what's the point of the case? Guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe button down below. I'm actually closing in on 1,000 subscribers, guys. We just hit 800 subscribers last night, so I do appreciate every one of you guys for hitting that subscribe button. But I'll see you guys in the next